Ron Delsener embodies the spirit of music history with his most fitting documentary titled Ron Delsener Presents, molding the foundation of live concerts since 1964 to the multi-billion-dollar global empire it is now. There is no better time to celebrate Ron and the more than half a century of impact he's made not only for the music industry, but for the countless careers of iconic artists through the decades.
It's great to be able to tell his story. In many ways, he's one of the last of the Mohicans in terms of that vision of music and New York and the concerts that took place here in New York at a time where people had access to them. Concerts in the park are one of the best stories of the film.
A business mindset, along with the admiration Ron has in working with music artists, continue to leave a timeless mark to this day.
Everything from Tina Turner in Central Park to Sly and the Family Stone to Patti Smith at the Palladium, David Bowie at Carnegie Hall. Ron was really behind it all, and so I didn't really have to try hard to make him part of that story. He already is, and it's a story that not a lot of people know.
There are many people who tried. He's outlasted them all. Like he is the true Wizard of Oz. He is the man behind the curtain. It doesn't matter who it is. It could be the Beatles. It could be the Rolling Stones. It could be Earth, Wind and Fire. It could be Michael Jackson.
And we never give it up.
Yeah.
I'm never going to stop doing this. I keep doing it. I don't need the money, but I keep doing it. What else am I going to do? And I have friends who talk to, and I love to talk to everybody.
Ron's best qualities and the excitement surrounding the film creates a happiness that is also significant in being a part of.
He's an amazing person. He's lasted for years and years, and he never quits. And he's got really good taste.
Very, very happy to be here to celebrate my friend. He deserves it. He deserves it. I know it's going to be a great film. Jake did a great job.
His sense of humor is just incredible, and he's always just making people laugh with his very just unique sense of humor. He's a very unique individual.
Ron's legacy is one that is celebrated in its full Spring Studios radiance here at the Tribeca Film Festival.
Reporting for BronxNet, Kody, Onyiuke.